Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of custom domain names, specifically how to snag that perfect .co domain for your brand. A .co domain is a fantastic alternative to the traditional .com, especially if your desired .com is already taken or if you're aiming for a modern, globally relevant feel. Let's get started. First things first, you need to brainstorm. Think about your brand name, your business, and any keywords that resonate with your target audience. Make a list of potential domain names you'd be happy with. It's always good to have backups in case your first choice is unavailable. Consider keeping it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Next, head over to a reputable domain registrar. Popular choices include GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or Hover. Any of these will work perfectly. Type your chosen domain name into the search bar on their website to check its availability. If your first choice .co domain is available, fantastic. If not, move on to your second or third option from that brainstorming list. Once you've found an available .co domain, it's time to register it. Click the Add to Cart or similar button to begin the purchase process. The registrar will likely offer you a variety of add-ons, such as domain privacy, which hides your personal contact information from the public WHOIS database, and SSL certificates, which encrypt data transmitted to and from your website. Domain privacy is generally recommended for security and privacy reasons. SSL certificates are essential for securing your website and building trust with your visitors. After selecting your desired add-ons, proceed to the checkout. You'll need to create an account with the registrar or log in to an existing one. You'll then be prompted to enter your contact information, including your name, address, email address, and phone number. Make sure this information is accurate as it's associated with your domain ownership. Next up, payment. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Enter your payment details carefully and review the order summary to ensure everything is correct, especially the domain name, the registration length, and the total price. Finally, click the Complete Purchase or Submit Order button. You should receive a confirmation email from the registrar with details of your purchase and instructions on how to manage your domain. You might need to verify your email address to activate your domain registration, so keep an eye on your inbox. Now that you own the domain, you'll need to point it to your website. If you already have a website hosted elsewhere, you'll need to update your domain's DNS records to point to your web hosting server. Your web hosting provider will give you specific instructions on how to do this. It usually involves logging into your domain registrar's control panel and updating the A record and CNAME record. If you don't have a website yet, you can often use your domain registrar's website builder tools or easily link it to website builders like Wix or Squarespace. And that's it. You've successfully secured a custom .co domain for your brand. It's a valuable step in building your online presence and establishing a memorable identity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.